Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to FP Top Tech. Today we are counting down on the top 3 best 360 dashcams of 2024. Buckle up for a revolution in road trip protection and immersive capture. Forget the limitations of traditional dashcams because the future of in-car guardians has arrived, the awe-inspiring realm of 360 degrees dashcams. You can buy these dashcams through the links given in the description below. We will start from number 3. Number 3. The Thinkware F200 Pro. Imagine never missing a breathtaking vista, a close call on the freeway, or even the mischievous squirrel darting across the road. The Thinkware F200 Pro seamlessly stitches together the 360 degrees panorama of your journey, ensuring you capture every detail without any pixelated gaps or jarring transitions. It's like having a digital artist constantly weaving a tapestry of your adventures. But the F200 Pro isn't just about artistic flair. It's a powerhouse of coverage, capturing both the front and rear of your vehicle simultaneously in jaw-dropping 5.7K resolution. No hidden corners go unnoticed, no tailgaters escape detection. You get a holistic view of the road, leaving you feeling secure and informed with every mile. Darkness doesn't deter the F200 Pro's watchful gaze. Super Night Vision 3.0 pierces through the shadows, revealing even the faintest details in low-light conditions. Whether it's navigating through a moonlit tunnel or a dense forest at dusk, this camera keeps you seeing clearly, allowing you to drive with confidence even in the darkest environments. Safety takes center stage with the F200 Pro's advanced features. Lane departure warning alerts you if you start drifting, keeping you safely within your lane. Forward collision warning gives you precious seconds to react if the car ahead stops suddenly, potentially preventing an accident. It's like having a virtual safety net, always watching out for you on the road. Connecting and controlling the F200 Pro is a breeze. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you seamlessly transfer footage and access settings directly from your phone. It's an intuitive and user-friendly experience, freeing you to focus on your journey while still staying in control of your camera. The F200 Pro doesn't compromise on design either. Its sleek and compact form blends seamlessly into your car's interior, making it a discreet guardian that doesn't attract unwanted attention. And for those who appreciate a touch of personal style, the F200 Pro comes in a variety of color options to match your personality. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Live 360. Imagine cutting the cord and live streaming your adventures directly from your car. The Garmin Dash Cam Live 360 makes it a reality with built-in LTE connectivity. Share your breathtaking vistas, nail-biting maneuvers, and scenic detours with the world in real time. No Wi-Fi hotspot needed. It's like having a mobile broadcast studio strapped to your windshield, capturing every moment and sharing it with the click of a button. Forget just watching your road, the Thinkware QX200 Pro becomes your connected guardian angel, while also painting a stunning 5.7K masterpiece of your journey. But beyond the beauty, it secretly whispers sweet safety nothings in your ear. Feeling drowsy? It'll nudge you back to alertness with a gentle alert. Need to check on that package? Transform your phone into a live feed, giving you eyes and ears inside your car from anywhere. Worried about storage? This cam lets you choose specific zones to monitor, saving space and focusing on what truly matters. And if you crave precision, calibrate its safety features for razor-sharp accuracy, ensuring they're always there to help you avoid danger. The QX200 Pro isn't just a dash cam, it's a portal to a connected and informed driving experience, filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Share your epic adventures, learn from others, and find hidden treasures on your favorite routes. The road never ends with this camera as your companion. But the Live 360 isn't just about entertainment. It's your vigilant guardian angel on the road. Receive instant alerts for incidents like sudden stops or lane departures, ensuring you stay safe and aware. And for added peace of mind, store your precious footage securely in the cloud with optional Garmin subscriptions. No more worrying about losing your memories or having your SD card corrupted. Your adventures are always accessible, anywhere, anytime. The Live 360 doesn't forget the practicalities either. Voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. And its driver coaching features provide valuable insights into your driving habits, helping you become a safer and more efficient driver. It's like having a personal driving instructor on board, always offering tips and feedback to improve your skills. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a weekend adventurer, the Garmin Dash Cam Live 360 is your perfect companion. Capture your journey in real time, share it with the world, and stay safe and informed with its advanced features. It's the ultimate live streaming dash cam ready to turn your every road trip into an unforgettable adventure. Number 1. Blackboo's DR900X2CH. Forget grainy footage and blurry license plates. Blackboo's DR900X2CH is a cinematic sentinel, capturing the road in stunning 4K HDR detail thanks to dual Sony STRVS sensors. Imagine crisp images revealing distant road signs, license plates clear enough to shame a jaywalker, and even the texture of the asphalt under your tires. It's like having an eagle's eye view of your journey, leaving no detail unseen. Forget just recording your road. The Blackboo DR900X2CH is your connected guardian angel. While others watch, it can transform into a live feed, letting you keep an eye on your parked car remotely no matter where you roam. Worried about losing footage? Secure in the cloud, a digital fortress against SD card woes, accessible from any corner of the globe. Tired of generic alerts? Train this cam to scream lane switch, or check your blind spot, a personalized coach whispering in your ear. Fear not the bumps and crashes, it automatically shields crucial footage from deletion, a digital vault for those oh no moments. And when you're not out there, analyze your driving like a pro with G-sensor data, route playback, and time-lapse magic. The DR900X2CH isn't just a dash cam, it's a connected brain for your car, revealing hidden power to keep you safe, informed, and in control. But the DR900X2CH isn't just about pixel perfection. Its seamless 360 degrees panorama eliminates blind spots, providing a panoramic canvas of your surroundings. No more worrying about what's lurking in your periphery, this cam captures it all. And should the unfortunate happen, the DR900X2CH becomes an irrefutable witness. Its footage is crystal clear, tamper-proof, and easily accessible, ensuring you have the evidence you need in case of an incident. Darkness doesn't dim the DR900X2CH's vigilance. Super night vision technology cuts through the shadows, revealing even the subtlest details in low-light conditions. Whether it's navigating moonlit highways or navigating through a dark parking lot, this camera keeps you safe and informed. And for ultimate peace of mind, the 24/7 parking mode keeps your car watched like a hawk, automatically recording any suspicious activity around your vehicle. Controlling the DR900X2CH is a breeze. Voice commands let you navigate features hands-free, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to access footage and settings directly from your phone. It's an intuitive and intelligent companion, always ready to capture your journey in stunning detail and keep you safe on the road. Overall, the DR900X is the best pick to achieve the best dash cam videos and record your memories in day-to-day life. My personal preference is also the DR900X. Now you have to decide according to your budget. And there you have it, our top 5 best 360 dash cams of 2024. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any queries or want more information, feel free to ask in comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated to our latest tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.